So now I'm going to restore my headlight using Turtle Wax headlight restoration kit. So I will show you. So this is the kit, headlight restoration, headlight lens restorer. This is the kit that I'm going to use now to restore my headlight. So there's an instruction here, and two spray, and two pairs of sanding pads and wipes. So let's do it. So now I just cover the surface near to my headlight. So let's see what will become the result. So this Turtle Wax kit have spray lubricants, and lens clarifying compound, lens sealing wipes, lens base coat wipes, and two pairs of sanding pads. So let's see what's the result after I use that to my headlight. So you can see my headlight now. It's not very yellowish, but on this part it's a little bit faded. It's not very clear compared to this part. So I want this part is become like this. So step by step, first I apply this lens clarifying compound, and I will let it dry for a couple of minutes, and then after that I will use the bopping pads when this chemical is already dry to my headlight. I just use a microfiber cloth to rub the headlight, and as you can see, it's a little bit, there's a result. So it's become a little bit glossy compared before, and we're not finished yet. Nice. And now I'm going to use this pad. So there's a number on the pad: number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. So I start in number 1, and the finishing is number 4. So guys, I already finished using this bopping pad. Just remember, I start in number 1, number 2, number 3, and the last one is number 4. So remember, start in number 1. So it's already finished. Now I will apply this one, lens base coat wipe. So I already finished doing the bopping on the headlight. Oh, I'm very tired rubbing, continuously rubbing. So that's the result. I already finished buffing, and as you can see, it's like new. And this is the left side, and this is the right side. And I'm going to apply now this lens base coat. After this is the finishing lens sealing wipe. Before you apply this lens base coat, make sure you will remove all the chemical you will remove all the chemical and all the rubbing compounds on the headlight. So you will wipe it and make sure it's clear and it's dry. So now we're going to apply this, and I will show you. We need to be quick because this one is like a paint, so we need to apply in the right side and the left side quickly. So here's the wipes. I'm going to apply here, apply here, and then here, and we will let it dry. This one is like a paint. See? And we will let it dry, and after that we will apply the final coating, or this one, lens sealing wipes. So guys, we're going to doing now the final step, which is lens sealing wipe. So it's already dry, both of the headlight, left and right. I'm going to use this as final step. So this one is like a clear coat. So that's the final result. It's like new.